Hello, I am Lemon. I help manage blood sugar.
These talking fruits, talking vegetables, talking health reels, and even talking everyday object AI videos are going insanely viral right now. And yes, this is 2026, not some old recycled trend. Let me show you something that should honestly scare you a little. There's an Instagram account called Science AI Masters. They posted just 65 reels and gained over 877,000 followers. Almost every single video is pulling in millions of views. Another account, Dr. Helix, uploaded only 7 videos and still reached nearly 50,000 followers. And then there's Science Pulse, just 147 reels, 1.1 million followers, and almost every reel crosses a million views. Now, here's the part most people don't want to hear.
You can do the exact same thing if you know the secret formula behind these videos.
If AI prompts alone worked, everyone would be viral by now, but they don't. What actually matters is how your account is structured, how the algorithm categorizes your content, and how each reel is built to hold attention. Almost no one explains this properly, and that's why most people stay stuck. So in this tutorial, I'm breaking down the full process step by step. Before we continue, let me answer the biggest question I see everywhere. Are AI shorts and reels monetized? Yes, but only if you do it right. If you're re-uploading videos, copying others, or making lazy AI content, it will not be monetized. But if you follow this method, you won't just make talking food or gadgets. You'll unlock 1,000 plus original viral AI reel ideas that almost no one is teaching. So don't skip this. Now we're at the part that actually decides virality. If you want your first reel to go viral, the very first thing you need is a viral topic idea. Not a nice topic, not an informative topic, a wow topic. Your topic must trigger curiosity, create light shock, and make people think, wait, what? Because if the topic doesn't stop the scroll, nothing else matters. Here are some high-performing topic angles in this niche. Fruits that burn belly fat naturally inside your body. Best morning foods for fast fat burn. Fruits that control sugar and cravings. These work because they promise a clear outcome. They feel visual, internal, and specific, not generic. Now, you could sit and brainstorm topics yourself, but you don't have to. I've already created a topic goldmine with 1,000 viral topic ideas just for this niche. You'll find the link in the pinned comment. But if you want unlimited fresh ideas anytime, just use this prompt. Replace the number 10 with however many ideas you want, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit send. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate scroll-stopping topics. For this example, I'm choosing fruits that shield your body's defense system. Now we need a viral script, and no, you don't need to write it yourself. Simply use the script generation prompt. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Insert your topic in the placeholder. If you want higher RPM, keep the language English. If you want regional reach, switch to your language. Hit send. That's it. ChatGPT will generate a complete reel script, scene numbers, dialogue, topping fruit characters, and simple health explanations. For example, Scene 1 in Orange speaks and explains how it supports your body's daily defense. Scene 2, a kiwi appears and explains its role in handling daily stress. Each scene introduces a new fruit with a clear benefit. This structure is perfect for short-form retention. At this point, you now have a viral topic, a complete script, talking characters, and a clear scene-by-scene structure. Next, we turn the script into actual AI visuals and videos that look clickable, animated, and impossible to ignore. This is where most people mess up and where your reel starts separating from the crowd. To avoid mistakes and save time, we'll use one single master prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit send. ChatGPT will generate text-to-image prompts, image-to-video prompts, every scene structured inside copy-ready code blocks. One-click copy, no rewriting, no guessing. Now, let's start with image generation. For image generation, there are a lot of free AI tools out there. But as you already know, free tools usually come with limits, especially if you want to create high-quality, engaging content. That's why I'm using this amazing tool called MagicLight AI. The best part? It supports multiple powerful image generation models in one place, like Nano Banana, Flux 2.0, Seed Dream, and many more. After logging in, you'll see a clean, simple interface that makes image generation fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. On the left side, you will see an option called Text to Image. Simply click on that. First, choose your model. As you can see, there are many options like Nano Banana, Flux, Seed Dream, and more. I'm going to choose Seed Dream. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Next, choose the aspect ratio. If you're creating short-form content, select 9:16. If you're making long-form content, choose 16:9. Now click on Generate. It will take a few seconds, and here's the result. As you can see, the image quality is really good. Now it's time to convert this still image into a proper animated video. You don't need to go anywhere else, just click on the Image to Video option. First, select the Video Generation tool and make sure you choose one that supports audio. I'm selecting the Kling with Audio model. After selecting the model, upload the image that you generated earlier. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt. Paste the video prompt, select the video duration, and click Generate. It will take a few seconds, and here's the result.
Hello, I am Orange. I bring natural vitamin-rich goodness that supports your body's daily defense routines, helps immune cells stay alert, and I work best when eaten fresh in the morning or as a midday snack.
Isn't it amazing? Now repeat the same process for all 10 clips. First, generate the image using the image prompt, then create the video using the video prompt. Once all the clips are ready, we'll move on to the final step. Now we have everything ready. High-quality AI images and animated talking clips. But we're not done yet, because there are two things that massively affect click-through rate: the intro scene and the cover image. To create both, simply use this prompt. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, enter your topic in the placeholder, and hit Send. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed text-to-image prompt for the cover image and a ready-to-use video prompt for the intro scene. Now, let's create the cover image. Copy the cover image prompt.
Go back to MagicLight AI.
Paste the prompt into text-to-image option. And there it is. This is the cover image for your first reel. Clean, clear, and scroll stopping. Next, we create the intro scene. Copy the intro video prompt. Paste the video prompt into the image to video option. Hit send. Within a few seconds, your intro scene is ready. Let's preview it.
We are the fruits that shield your body's defense.
This looks amazing. Now that everything is ready, open CapCut or any other video editor. First, import the intro scene and place it on the timeline. Then, import all remaining scene clips and arrange them in the correct order. Preview the full timeline clip by clip. If you want to add background music, simply drag it onto the timeline and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the dialogue. Now add transitions. Use a fade in-out transition between clips and apply it to all scenes. Next, add a short whoosh sound effect to every transition. This instantly boosts the perceived quality of the video. Captions are optional. For this example, we'll skip them. Once everything looks clean, export the video. And that's it! Your first high-quality AI reel is ready.
We are the fruits that shield your body's defense. Hello, I am Orange. I bring natural vitamin-rich goodness that supports your body's daily defense routines, helps immune cells stay alert, and I work best when eaten fresh in the morning or as a midday snack. Hello, I am Kiwi. I support your body's protective balance with plant nutrients, help your cells handle daily stress, and I'm best enjoyed in the morning or after meals. Hello, I am Blueberry. I help protect your cells from everyday wear, support overall resilience, and I'm great in the afternoon or as a light evening snack.
Hello, I am Garlic, and I support your body's natural protection processes, help keep internal balance, and I'm best consumed.
Hello, I am Ginger. I support gut comfort and warmth, which helps overall defense, and I'm most helpful in the morning or evening as a warm drink.
As you've seen, what normally takes hours of work, MixHub AI can do in just minutes.
And one more thing, MixHub AI has a lenient content moderation policy, so you get more creative freedom and fewer limitations while generating content.
That's why I highly recommend you try MixHub AI at least once. Let me know in the comments what you think about this tool. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe for more AI content like this. See you in the next one.